Hello guys. Let's go straight to the point. Step 1. Open temporary mail website. First of all, open any browser on your laptop or mobile. Now, search for Temp Mail on Google. As soon as the website opens, you will see an email address already generated on the screen. This email is your temporary email address. Below the email address, you will see an inbox section. This inbox is very important. Whenever you use this temporary email to sign up on any website, the verification code or confirmation email will appear here. Now, let me show you a real example. I'm opening the Gamma AI website. Here, I click on Sign Up. In the email field, I paste the temporary email address that we got from the Temp Mail website. After that, I confirm the email. Now Gamma AI sends a verification email to this temporary address. Let's go back to the Temp Mail inbox. As you can see, the email from Gamma AI has arrived. I open it, and that's it. Your email is verified and your account is successfully created.